So today I'm gonna be doing the Viper cut on my 3rd gen Tacoma. Basically the Viper cut, I mean everyone seems to make it sound like it's complicated, but it's really just chopping from here to here. There's different variants of it. Some people, you know, they'll cut it along here, up, and like that. Some people chop it like that, whatever you really want to do. I am gonna probably just follow this line and come right up with it, follow this corner and go right to here. But it's really up to however much you want to take off. It's a personal preference thing. It's all it really is. There's nothing back there, so you can really just do however much you want to take off. I'm clearing because I'm rubbing right now with my 35s, so I'm going to be doing the cut. Really all you're going to need is some masking tape, a grinder, cutting wheel, and a grinding wheel. So once you got your tape line, this is what I went with. Like I said, you can go with whatever you want, however aggressive, however much you want to chop. Me personally, I'm chopping it all because the bumper won't be there much longer. And I'm already rubbing. Ooh, spilled Pepsi sucks. And yeah, so you know, once you got your tape line decided, you can take your handy dandy grinder, start with a cutting wheel, and then you can go to a grinding wheel afterwards to mellow out the edge. But yeah, you pretty much just want to take your grinder and just chop along your tape line. Make sure you leave your fender flare on.
Do or die, what can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24? The way things is going, I don't know. Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me? We've been spending most of our lives living in the distance.
So yeah, safety glasses, because forget about freaking rotating this shield. That's too much work.
Power and the money and the power. Minute after minute, hour after hour, everybody's running, but half of them ain't looking what's going on in the kitchen. But I don't know what's cooking. They say I got to learn, but nobody's here to teach me. If they can't understand it, how can they reach me? I guess they can't, I guess they won't, I guess they front. That's why I know my life is out of luck, fool. We've been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We've been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise.
So, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. The one thing I forgot to mention is you're gonna want to take out the two 10mm bolts on the bottom of each of the corners. That's so sick. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Yeah, get out here, stunt. Really? Man, I was dumb close to my finger. Well, I got myself a little. But no, I was just really close to my tires a lot. I forgot to mention this little bracket right here. You might want to pop it off. It clips into inside your fender lining, but it, yeah, I don't know, you can cut through it if you want, it don't really matter, I don't think. You can take it off if you wanted. Whatever you want to do. But, wow, this shit won't stop bleeding.
No, it's like 9.
Okay. So once you got, both your cuts made, you know, you peel your tape, and I'm gonna go back through it with a grinder wheel to clean up the edges. If you don't care, or if you're nice with it, you don't really have to. Or if you use a Dremel or a better tool, you definitely can, you know, do it in one go. But, you know, I'm using a grinder, so obviously it's not going to be the most perfect line, but I'll fix it with the grinder wheel, and it'll look beautiful. But, yeah. So I'm gonna take this grinder wheel now and go back through, hit these edges to clean them up, smooth them out, you know, all that fun stuff. And then you're done. It's that easy, man. Here it is, boys. That's the cut. That's how it looks. Like I said, it'll be different depending on how aggressive you want to go with your cut. But that is how mine looks. I think it turned out pretty good, you know, for me just cutting away at my shit with a grinder. So, yeah, that's going to be the end of this video. Hope it was helpful. I hope you chop your taco, too. Send me pictures and videos.